welcome back to Tiny Budget Co. I'm gonna do my first package with the Etsy order. I just have one. So this is for Samantha, and this is how I usually do it. I usually don't film them, but she ordered a $40 husky and with glitter stickers. So I have these ones. These are more premium. These are more expensive. I use these. And then I also have these ones that you get more in a roll. But I like these because they're better quality. So let's see if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to make sure I have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I should have enough. And I designed this. I already printed it and laminated it. So I want to make sure there's no hair. That's the hardest thing to do. And Etsy's been kind of slow because, well, everything, the economy, I guess, and Thanksgiving, the holidays. So I just have this one to do. And this is a repeat customer. Yeah. So she's ordered, I think she ordered from me last week. And I already had that one shipped out. And getting this one out because we're going grocery shopping tomorrow, so I'll be able to stop at the post office. And let me know if you like these kind of videos. I've never done one. I know. I don't know. But yeah, usually I have a lot more orders to do. But I thought I'd share. I don't know. If you want me to do these kind, let me know. And I moved my this desk was in my well, it's a little room. It makes me claustrophobic because it's like probably the size of a walk-in closet, and I have my clothes in there, and it's like unorganized. So I'm like, where I'm at is not that far from the kitchen. Well, it's partially the kitchen and dining area. So this is ready, and I already did the corners. So that one was the first one, and then she ordered my autumn kitty, fall kitty, a $50 one. And this one comes with just the holographic stickers, like these. So these ones look yucky. So I had some already cut, I think. Oops. Yeah. Let me make sure there's no hairs. And start down here. And then this one I can use. And then I need to cut some of these. And so I've been rearranging. I moved my printer and my laminator out here so I have more room to work. And I'm going to clean that little well, yeah, I guess it's a walk-in. I'm going to clean in there and get my Christmas stuff out. Or I had some autumn stuff, but I'll probably just do Christmas. Usually I put the tree up usually the weekend before Thanksgiving or the weekend after. So I gotta find all my Christmas stuff. Because it's like a walk-in, but it's also where I have my storage. Stuff I store. Because, well, I live in a trailer in New Mexico and by myself, so everything's in there. Because I don't like to have my bedroom cluttered. So I've been trying to clean up. That one, I usually use those ones for myself that are messed up. Like for my scratch offs, I do. And then that, and I've been watching Outlander. It's my favorite show. So I've been doing that and drinking my coffee still. It's in that. It's, I think, what time is it? It's like 1:44 here, but I drink coffee like all afternoon because it warms me up. But it's just my one cup. Well, it's like 2 cups, I guess. And then tomorrow we're going grocery shopping. So this one's done. Holographic. Oh yeah, that was the messed up one. And then she ordered this one. It comes with glitter stickers. And then that's all she ordered. And then usually, well, every time I get an order, if a customer orders scratch offs, then I give them a free scratch off. If they order mini savings or regular savings challenges or mini, I usually give them a free mini savings challenge. Just as like a thank you for shopping with me. So it's just to be nice and good customer service. So that one's done. And then I'm gonna give her this freebie. It's my turkey. And I'm just gonna put holographic. And then I've been talking to my friend Ken. He had surgery on the 6th of November, but he's still in the hospital. Still recovering. They have him on a where they paraded diet. They're like blending his food up. I don't know why. He got sick after surgery, which most people do. I think. I know I do. So he had surgery on his head, his neck and skull, like the bottom. So he's still recovering. But I've been talking to him a lot. And I was supposed to go out there. He's in Colorado. I was supposed to go, but the plane ticket was too expensive. And like, because we didn't have enough notice. So, and it's because it's almost Thanksgiving. So, and plus the shutdown made the airports crazy. And so we decided for me to wait until his birthday, which is the end of May. So I'm going to be going to Colorado for vacation for his birthday too. But to go see him and his mom and nephew. So I'm going to try to record videos so that I have videos up. Because if not, then my watch hours go down and I don't know what happens. I'm already below 4,000 watch hours. I'm not sure what happens if they demonetize you or not. So since this is a freebie, I put this free sticker. And then the order's ready. And then I put in this thank you for your purchase. And you guys can use this too. If you put in if you want to order from me, from my shop, it's Tiny Budget Co. on Etsy. But if you put in it's like all caps, Tiny Fam 50, you can get 50% off. I also opened where you can, what's it called? Make an offer. I just opened that up. So if you guys want to order something that way, you can. If not, it's okay. And then I use these little baggies or cellophane, just so that if it gets wet, then it won't damage the order. And then, like small orders like this, I usually use just an envelope. And I haven't had no complaints, so. And then I seal it. And then I use a thank you sticker, if I can get it off. I usually put it down here because these are like vinyl, I think. And they're really hard to open, the package. So I put it down here. And then I just have to do my... Oh, and then I usually mark these. I'll do it later because I don't have a pen over here. And so they know that they got everything. And then I put this in, and then excuse me, after I get done, I'll take those off. These, it was just to respect their privacy. And then I just put the shipping label on and then drop it off at the post office. And that's how I do my orders. And if you guys want to see more of these, let me know. And that's pretty much it today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.